Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with the RetailMeNot preview for today. This insert is for August the 19th. I believe we're receiving a RetailMeNot and a Smart Source. So yeah, this RetailMeNot's not very big. It's 24 coupons, so not a ton, but there are some good ones. So I'm just going to go through, read them, and point out any deals that I see. And I swear, whenever I start filming, the birds outside just start going crazy. I don't understand why. So if you hear any background noise, again, that's what it is. We have $2 off anyone Johnson's lotion, wash, or hair care item. That's a good one. $2 off anyone Persil. These are Dollar General store coupons. I don't know much about Dollar General. I assume these can be stacked with the manufacturer coupon. I don't know. We have $1 off Purex, $1 off of the Purex crystals, and 2 Renews-Its for $1.50. $1.82 Brian's product. Never heard of those. $2 off anyone Whole Earth Company sweetener. 25 cents off of an Azteca tortilla or salad shell. $1.50 on Community Coffee. 75 cents on 2 Jimmy Dean. 55 cents on 1 Jimmy Dean breakfast product. Is that, wait, 75 cents on 2. That is that's crazy. That's nothing hardly at all off. Yeah, I'm used to seeing 75 cents off of 1 from them, not 75 cents off of 2. $2 off anyone L'Oreal Paris preference hair color, $6 off of 2. $1 off L'Oreal Paris Magic Root cover up. $3 off any 2 L'Oreal Paris Elvive or Hair Expert hair care. $2 off of L'Oreal Paris Elvive or Hair Expert hair care treatment product. $4 off of 60 count Flonase. $6 off of Flonase Scentsy Mist. $10 off 120 count Flonase. That's a really high value coupon. Sometimes we get Saving Star rebates to go along with it. $4 off of any 2 Nutrice or Oila hair color. $2 off of 1. $1.50 off of a bag of Nudges dog treats. $2 off any 24 Friskies wet cat food. Buy 1 cup of Friskies Little Soups, get 1 for free. That's good. And that is it for our RetailMeNot. So not very many coupons. We'll probably get the majority in the Smart Source, so come back for that video. That'll be up on Friday. So yeah, that's all I have for now, and thank you so much for watching.